All right, we're back, and the appearances are as before, except that the jury's upstairs and has set us an inquiry. Question number 3. Do we view videos in private or in courtroom? So my nightmare has come true. And then, do you need to know exact exhibit number of video or photo? So that's the easy part. Any suggestions?
Well, Your Honor, we can show them the videos here in the courtroom. We've previously discussed this issue, and I understand the court's personal feelings about it, but I do believe the law is clear that we have to show it to them in the courtroom. I don't believe that we can give them a laptop and let them view it in private. So we have our laptop ready to go, plugged into the system, so if they give us any numbers that they want to see, we should be able to pull them up for them.
Your Honor, I agree with the first part of that. I don't know what exhibits the jurors wish to see. We, the defense, has a real problem with them seeing the drone footage. And
3 days. And we've heard a little bit from the jury through some of their notes, but we haven't heard what we really want to hear, which is a verdict. Let's bring in Court TV legal correspondent Chanley Painter joining us live from Kenosha, Wisconsin tonight. Chanley, great to see you. My understanding, we really didn't hear from the jury today. Did we eyeball them at all? Did we see anything from this jury?
Yeah, we did get our eyes on them at the very end of the day when they requested to be sent home after almost 8 hours of work today, but no notes, no questions, no request from the jury today. But when our crews noticed them walk in this afternoon, they seemed weary. They plopped more so in their seats before they were dismissed for the day and didn't seem the usual sort of jovial selves as we've seen over the last couple of days in there. As you can imagine, 3 days of deliberations. But one female juror, Vinny, did request to take home her copy of the jury instructions tonight, and the judge allowed her to do so. She can, of course, talk about them with anyone, or look up a lot of information. She can't take her notes home, but she has those with her tonight to study when she returns for day 4 of deliberations.
Fascinating. I've never seen that before. I have to think about it for a moment, but it's interesting that it was just one juror, though, that wanted to do some homework tonight. All right. They have sent out notes now, so I want to kind of go through the jury notes tonight. What can you tell us?
Right, we can glean some things from the jury request over the last couple of days. They are filed with the court. They're handwritten requests by the foreperson on this jury panel. And we know that the first day of deliberations, this jury sent 2 requests or notes to the judge. They first, on request, jury note number 1, they asked for 11 more copies of pages 1 through 6 of the jury instructions. And again, Vinny, that's the law in this case. It outlines self-defense, the elements for self-defense. And about 4.5 hours later on day 1, they sent request number 2 for 11 more copies of pages 7 through 36, the remainder of the document going through each of the counts against Kyle Rittenhouse and the elements of those counts. So it's pretty interesting to look at the timeline of the request that day. So it seems as though day 1 was really focused on the instructions and the law here, and maybe even today with the juror requesting to take home a copy.
All right, how about jury views of videos, exhibits?
Right, that was yesterday, focused on the videos. The jury sent several requests to the judge. We have jury note number 3. They asked, first of all, how do we view these videos? Do we view them in private or in the courtroom? They asked if they needed to tell the court, the exact exhibit number of the video they wanted to see. The judge did respond to that, said they would view in the courtroom and that they could watch the videos by giving, a general description of what they wanted to see, Vinny. So that was decided yesterday, and then, of course, we know they actually were able to see several videos they requested.
And so what exhibits have actually been asked for here specifically?
Several videos. That was request number 4 and number 5 yesterday. They requested to view video starting with the Gage Grosskreutz live stream, that part that he interviews Kyle Rittenhouse, and it says in the note to 10 seconds after Grosskreutz shooting. In the regular and the slow motion, Vinny, they got specific here. They also asked if they could stop and start the video at their request. And then also we have, of course, that video, that key moment where Gage it's in between the shooting of Rosenbaum and before jump kick man Anthony Huber. Let's take a watch.
Shots. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? You shot somebody? Who shot?
Pause. You told Mr. Grosskreutz you were going to the police, right?
Yes.
And then you said, I didn't shoot anyone, right?
I can't really make out what the last part of the words were saying.
Do you remember what you said?
I remember saying, I think I said I had to.
Let's play that back 10 seconds and play it again, please.
Hey, what are you doing? You shot somebody? Who shot? Who shot?
Pause. Pause.
So that interchange of Kyle responding to Grosskreutz after he shot Rosenbaum, that's one of the videos this jury wanted to scrutinize what he said during those moments. Also, the jury requested what has been referred to BG on the scene. This is video we've all seen hundreds of times of the shootings of Huber and, of course, Gage Grosskreutz. They had that in front of them. And then in a late request number 5, Vinny, they also wanted to see the Rosenbaum shooting. They requested this controversial drone video and the still image of Rittenhouse dropping the extinguisher. That was not given to them, but they also requested the full shooting in regular and slow motion. Now, again, that drone video, controversial here in this case, the subject of a couple of mistrial motions from the defense, with them allegedly claiming the prosecution compressed what they gave the defense during the trial.
All right. Chanley Painter in Kenosha tonight. We will speak again, give you some time to thaw out there. Looks a little chilly. Thanks so much, Chanley. Appreciate it.